Satokotoko, Sotokotopoko, Chokotoko, Sotokotoko, Atatataka, Satakabotoko, Ataka, Totoka, To. Hi everybody, this is a light language transmission. It's from the Good Tarot. It's a 5-minute light language. We're just going to look at one card, the 9 of Air, shifting negative self-talk to self-compassion, from fear to possibility, a call to faith. With a gentle, mellifluous voice, I tell myself that I will be okay, that I am okay, and that any fear is merely false evidence appearing as real. I forgive myself because I know I am human, trying the best I can, and need only call on spirit to remember that I can and will do better as new possibilities begin to gather on my horizon. So I feel this is very much to do with what we've just moved through with the Capricorn full moon and the summer solstice. There's been, as the energies of the new elevated, the new higher path, the one that aligns with our heart's desires and our soul's urgings comes in. It's pushing out everything that is no longer relevant, no longer aligned, everything that is of lower vibration. That was our training ground. It was what we needed to experience, to learn through experience. And it's based in the lower vibrational frequencies of fear. So this is the antidote. We're bringing in the possibility instead of the fear. Fear is based in the egoic understanding of limitation. The ego asserts limitation to keep us safe. But we want to move out of that fear of what could happen, which holds us in a limited reality, and into possibility. We want to trust where we're being led, even though we have a blindfold on and can't see. In this picture, her eyes are closed, but her wings are open, and she's ready to jump off the precipice. And there's all these birds around her showing her how to do it, showing her that she's safe. Akatoko choto so toko petita kapata taka toko toko ko toko chopo so taka ti taka toko ko toko akasata kata 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 ko toko choko toko so toko toko kata kata akatata taka taka to atata kata toko toko atata ka toko. So I feel the energy coming in through the crown and it moving out through the heart and the hands. So it's like showing the hands what action to take, showing the hands what to do in the physical world. Feeling the codes moving down the spine. Ataka to ahaha to ho ahaha to ho ahahito koko ahahito koko ahata ka ta inamata to. So I'm seeing the three vibration, the 333, expression, truth, creativity, accessing that creative flow that comes from inspiration, bringing your focus from what the dangers are to, and the consequences, bringing that to the creative possibilities, how it could be, what the best outcome could be, aligning to that. I'm feeling the lunar energies coming in, the energies of the full moon. This is the transition from the full moon to the new moon. So we're letting go of the old, getting ready for the new possibilities. We're wishing on the star. We're reaching for the stars. We're dreaming big, and we're pulling those. They're showing me reaching up and pulling those stars down. into into this world, into the material world, bringing those stars, those dreams, those visions into the physical world. And then they're being laid out as stepping stones on the footpath. So you've got a footpath of stars showing you the way. It's so beautiful. So now I'm seeing you stepping onto those stepping stones. Ta. Each ta is a step. Ta, ta, ta. And then they're getting faster. Ta, 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 ta. And accelerating. And then I'm seeing as you step on the stars, they proliferate. So you have this proliferation of stars, and they are like abundance. So you're abundant with stars, abundant with dreams, abundant with visions, abundant with possibilities. And then you can just pluck whichever opportunity resonates the most from you, whichever star resonates the most, just pick it and follow that path. Feeling those codes going into your throat. And I'm getting that it's a good idea to speak out loud that which you vision. Speak it out loud. Yeah, feeling that in the throat now. Feeling that clear through the solar plexus and then ground into the earth. That's it. So blessings, everybody. It's a healing, so make sure you do drink a lot of water to help that move through. Listen to your body, rest if you need to. Anything that comes up will be opposite to what we brought in. So it will be resistance to your dreams, it'll be blockages to your dreams, it'll be the negative thoughts and self-criticisms, I can't do it, that kind of thing. The consequences coming to your mind, the fears, just let them go with love. Understand they're just trying to protect you, but you can move beyond them now. So I'd just like to take a moment to thank everybody that's been following and receiving and commenting on my videos and receiving the transmissions. It really does help bring these codes in for the collective. And I've had a lot of people asking how they can give back. And there are, of course, some links down below of various ways you can do that. But I've been inspired to start a Patreon page. And that way those of you who want more of this and perhaps even want some teaching, I'm going to post some exclusive videos and things there. So this is an example of one that is my first video on the Patreon page. It's just the beginning part of it, and if you want to see the rest of it, you can click on the link below. You can follow for free on Patreon, but there are also different membership tiers starting at £5 a month, which are automatically deducted, and you get extra things if you would like them, including things like a personal reading and things like that. So for anyone who's interested in that, the links are below, but also you can also support just by liking, subscribing, commenting. Then I know you're there. There's also donation buttons down there if you want to just do a one-off donation. None of that is required. It's all free readings and transmissions. But yes, if you feel so inclined, there are links below. And the main thing is that more people get to receive these codes, and it moves forward the ascension. So in order to do that, likes and subscribes make a really big difference on how many people get to see it because of the way that YouTube runs the algorithm. So yes, thank you once again for being here, for supporting me by watching these videos, and helping me to bring through the codes that I'm here to bring through. Much love and blessings. This is a twin flame light language transmission. It's a reading and a transmission and a healing around the conflict between the unity and the separation of the twin flame dynamic, and that reconciliation between the knowing who your twin is to you, and the role that you have, being able to feel it in your bones, but feeling that strong connection, but not feeling possible in reality, and what to do in the present